So today we covered the use actually of digital healthcare products in personalized healthcare, mainly to target personalized patient care.
So actually the patient focus is a huge trend in the industry right now, whether it be the FDA coming out with some diversity criteria for diversity inclusion in clinical trials.
We're seeing the trend to move toward more innovative solutions, long-term follow-up studies. It's a big undertaking to conduct those studies for 15 years. And so the challenges we face include retaining patients for 15 years and reducing the site burden, just among some of the things.
So I think that we're starting to see technology coming through thick and fast. I think that since COVID had happened, I think COVID really revolutionized the world in terms of what was acceptable. And I think that the use of technology is becoming more and more. And I think that patient centricity is becoming a little bit more at the forefront due to COVID.
As far as the recent trends, I think two that we've heard a lot about at this conference are certainly, people tightening their belts a little bit. I think we've all experienced that, as well as understanding that we have to minimize the burden on the sites. And from my perspective, that makes mobile visits the perfect fit for both.
So in 2023, we did see some changes in the adoption of DCTs. What I think is happening is that they're becoming more normalized. And I think that early in the pandemic, people did assume it was all the same and this was an all or none sort of a situation. I think what's great is now we're normalizing it. So we're building in optionality and thinking about how the new methods fit in the situation where we're running the study.
I think that what's changed probably in the last few years is we wound up having Janet Woodcock and the FDA pointing out that there's a lot of issues with the current approach. She goes on and mentions that, points out something that's really key. She says that the goal is not to improve science, and the goal is not to get FDA approval. The goal is to improve patient health.